Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust the snooze duration for alarms on iOS 26. Okay, so that's one of the new things that we have on our iOS 26 since we have the update. Before it, we didn't have it. It was always the default value. It was 9 minutes, but now we can adjust it. So to do it, we need to open up our clock app. Okay, and now if you have an alarms, you can of course edit it, but I'll select a new one. And now on the bottom we have the snooze duration. Currently it's set on the 9 minutes, that's the default value, but now we can adjust the time of our snooze. The minimum value is 1 minute and the maximum is 15. Now on iOS 26 we can adjust the duration, just like I have said before. It's not stuck on 9 minutes. Now we can manually adjust the duration into our own preferences. To save it, simply hit this button on the top right corner, and now our alarm has been successfully set. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.